1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn how to count and spell numbers with farm animals. Yay! 1 cow. Let's spell the number 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. 2 2 pigs. Let's spell the number 2. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. 3 2 3. 3 horses. Let's spell the number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 1 2 3 4. 4 sheeps. Let's spell the number 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5 1 2 3 4 5. 5 little ducks. Let's spell the number 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 goats. Let's spell the number 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 farm dogs. Let's spell the number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 roosters. Let's spell the number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's spell the number 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's spell the number 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Thanks for watching. We create learning videos for kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.